Okay, move. Haley! You gonna stand up for mommy? Yeah? So I just say move. Stand up, Haley. Okay, princess. What are you doing, Haley?
I think it's the animal.
Woo! I'm videoing her.
You are?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Good job, Haley. You standing up?
You guys are really so great.
You standing up, Haley? I'm so proud. Look at you. Woo! Yay, Haley!
How many seconds was it?
Well, I don't know, but she's standing up by herself.
Probably about 11.
She just needs a little bit of help. With that Wii board's helping her. Move, princess. Let's see if she can get up by herself.
Yay!
Get up by yourself, Haley. Yay! I'm so proud of you, Haley. You don't need the Wii board no more. You can do it by yourself. Let's see. Move, princess. Princess, you're mean. No, Haley, you don't get a Wii board anymore. Do it by yourself now. Again. Come on, Haley. Well, go back to bed. I'm excited. My kid just stood up all by herself.
It's not even new than this little.
Hey, give me that.
What is it? Earring?
No, I don't know where it went. Oh. Come on, Haley.
Come on, you can do it.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on, Haley. You can do it. Oh.
Move, princess.
Man, this is Sissy's. You videotaping. See, you don't have to
She don't want it. Won't just stand up now.
See what?